OAuth method. So Snowflake supports OAuth 2.0 protocol, and it is basically an open standard protocol which is allowed, which basically allows you to connect with your Snowflake supported partners. For example, if you have to connect with your Tableau client, then you can connect through O authentication method. So basically, this is used to make sure that your client is easily able to read your data. Now, the difference between these clients is that the clients we mentioned in our keeper authentication system, they were meant for Snowflake specifically. That is Snowflake connector for Python, Snowflake connector for Kafka, SnowSQL, that is your command line interface. Those were Snowflake provided clients. These are external clients. These are not Snowflake provided clients. Tableau in no way is associated with Snowflake. Power BI in no way is associated with Snowflake. So all of these external clients, when we need to connect with them, we make use of the O authentication system.